Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have today at my shop this 2013 Toyota Highlander 4-wheel drive limited version with 171,000 miles on the clock. And the owner of the vehicle came today for a regular engine oil and filter change, but she said, hey, I started hearing some noise from back, and it goes like this. So please, let's go for a test drive. I would like to show it to you, and hopefully you can find what is the problem. So we went on the test drive, and after a little while, a few minutes on the nice smooth pavement, I will say definitely I heard a noise from the back. It was from the back, and it was, unfortunately, I will say, that typical humming sound of the bearing like I know it from Subarus. That's a typical thing on those. When I still repaired Subarus, it was at least one a week or two of those a week. So I was like, oh yeah, it will be either uneven tire wear, or I'm afraid you are facing the rear wheel bearing replacement. So let's go together and see if we can find the problem, if we can pinpoint it and give her estimate how much this repair will cost. So it could be the tire thread. If the rear strut was going bad, the tire could have like a bumps on it from shock not working correctly. But if I look at it, I believe this tire is good. So let's go see if the wheel bearing has any play. So here we are. Absolutely nothing. I will always rotate it a little bit, but this wheel is absolutely solid. Let's go look on the other side. Here we are on the passenger side. This one is also absolutely perfect. Let me look on the tire. It's always good to look against some spot on the strut, let's say, and keep your eye. If you could see some bumps. So I don't see the tire coming up and down. Okay, that's good. Let's continue with, since we are still here. It's a 4-wheel drive vehicle, so it's not so easy to spin the wheel. There is a resistance from the 4-wheel drive system, but let's listen if we can hear any sound from the bearing, possibly. We already hear the brakes a little bit touching the rotor, but that's normal. Let's listen. And I hear on this side only the pads very slightly touching the brake rotor, and it was a clicking in the rear differential. Let's go and move on the other side. So again, the tire is good, but I already hear something. Oh yeah, we got the winner. It's a driver side wheel bearing. Let me bring the camcorder closer so you can hear it too. So listen from the close, the microphones are close, hopefully you will hear that grinding humming sound. I do hear it, absolutely, it's loud. And I hope you hear it too. So in this case, conclusion is absolutely clear. This vehicle needs at least one bearing. Some shops will argue with you, they will say, no, we will change both sides. But this is not cheap, so depending on the owner's budget, you definitely have to do one. If you have money available, sure. I will not argue or say it's a scam that the shop offers to do both sides at the same time. So I hope you find this helpful. If you like it, give it a thumb up, please. And be subscribed, because if the owner of this vehicle comes back with this repair, I will make sure I have plenty of time that day to film it for you. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.